On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smile, but when I read the card, the tears fill my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today, as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Among kadi aday ta sabong sawen na agnanayon. Ken among kadi si tatalgedak si pupudno. Ngem apay ta naglibas ka, nilipat mo't ka rin karita. Pimakadak ka babaeng ti duyaw arosa. Sa balikin ka, ketsak met pinagarup amulit ang panagdenata. Oh yeah. Ket itaik anak katuruga, imbatinak amay maysang. Bimakadak ka babaeng ti yellow rose. Bimakadak ka babaeng ti duyaw arosa.